Hello and welcome to another new video. I'm huffing and puffing because I just climbed a flyover. Up on the flyover, it's a pretty long stretch, so thought of doing the intro here. So yeah, I know that it has been a while, almost about a month, and I haven't posted anything. Reason being, my ass was dead. I had terrible saddle sore. Still in the process of recovering. I don't know how I might feel by end of the ride. Basically today, I'm gonna ride the circumference of entire Guwahati. I'll probably put a map up there. But yeah, I haven't rode in like about 2 weeks, a little bit more than 2 weeks. Yeah, like I said, the reason saddle sore. Like that happens when you ride way too much without giving rest to your body to recover and shit. Basically, I have my chest mount. I have this handle. So let's see what we capture. And thank you for tuning into the channel again. Like, if you see any video before this, then that video was probably that I already shot it and I was too lazy to edit. Like, I did not know how to post it. Like, I wasn't well, like kind of low because of my sickness. So yesterday I went out on the ride as a test ride to see how I do it. So I rode for about 28 kilometers. That was the highest speed that I gained. So I was pretty happy with that because my muscles were relaxed and shit. So yeah, it turned out very good. But summers are here, so too much exhaustion. And today's ride is going to be what, 60 kilometers or a little bit more than that. I did 11.3 kilometers at 23.7 average. Peak city, it's Sunday. I thought of going out last Sunday, like I planned for a 120 kilometer ride, but it's like my routine is kind of fucked up right now. Like I'm sleeping at around 5 a.m. in the morning, 6 a.m. in the morning because of work. Yeah, and then that day when I tried to sleep for started sleeping at around 2 a.m. Basically, sleep did not come till about like 6 or 7:30 in the morning. Neend nahi aaya. So I just called it off. I texted a guy and said that I could not get sleep. So there is no point that I put my body through so much torture of riding for 120 kilometers. But yeah, it was supposed to be a fun ride. Basically, it was wanted to go and show you some rhinos and stuff. It's a national park. But yeah, I might do it like before 15th of March or something. Today is what, 8th or 9th of March? I think 9th of March. But yeah, onwards, there's a flyover up there. So it's newly inaugurated. I'm already on the same flyover, by the way. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Chest mount pe lagayega, handle pe lagayega. Keep watching, and thank you for watching again or tuning into the channel. Enter the bridge. Basically, पहले सीधा जाना चाहिए था from the blue point, but now we are going and turning this way. So it's basically going to be a reroute to inside the city from outside of the city. I don't know. Let me show you properly if possible. बीच में रुक के कहीं पे दिखा देगा. Basically, this entire Brahmaputra, it's totally barren right now. So that bridge is going to get connected, and that side is not Guwahati that we went on the pre-GCR ride. So वो वहाँ पे join होगा. So yeah, that is that. It's kind of fascinating that everything is going to get elevated and like out of the city. Like I said, ये bridge वहाँ से आके यहाँ पे connect होगा, and then it's going to be people waving, funny. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be connecting over somewhere here, and then उस side पे main city of Guwahati है. I literally came from back, so basically I came from the west side of Guwahati. This is the east side of Guwahati that we are going. So yeah, construction happening pretty fluid, and then there is going to be one more flyover up there. Probably यहाँ तक तो handle में like basically hand grip पे दिखा दिया, but I'm gonna show you more when inside the city. I'll probably not use the handle. I'll probably use the chest mount, but yeah. Okay, I guess that is the end of it. I'll probably put it up in my chest right now for some time. For some time, most of the time, basically, like city is crowded, so I'm not gonna be comfortable putting it elsewhere. While I don't know how the video will come because मेरा seat थोड़ा ऊपर कर दिया है तो, and of course the audio is going to be crappy as always. But yeah, entering city right now. It's sick actually, not bad. Interesting. So this way you can go west again. यहाँ से हम लोग जाएंगे east. पता नहीं अब ट्रैफिक के बीच में से जाऊँ या कहाँ से जाऊँ. Like there are multiple routes that I can take. One route that I don't know, one route I know, which I can cut short for some time. So let's see. Fucking tired. Yesterday, basically yesterday I rode super fast, like it was one of the highest time, right? So I told my mother, and she is like, "Can you not ride slowly?" I'm like, "होता ही नहीं है, क्या करूँ?" So if होता ही नहीं है तो होता ही नहीं है, right? Like I automatically can gain the speed, or like my legs start moving fast, pedaling fast and shit. So yeah. Similarly, due to which my recovery is slow. because पागल की तरह साइकिल चलाता है. So yeah. So इधर गया. Oh yeah, आगे में है. So basically there is a hill as well. Like usually I do the Kameta hilltop, which is the Hilachal hill, but there is one hill on this side that can be conquered, and this is like more steeper than the Kameta one. So कभी आएंगे करेंगे like गुवाहाटी में. I guess I figured out like there are only 3 hilltops. तो एक दिन आके तीनों एक साथ कर लेंगे. I am probably going left from here. Basically currently trying to stay in Skirts so that I can take some shortcuts and see. Oh, रास्ता बंद है. Shit. I could go, but I'm not trying to. I don't want to take risk. City के बीच में से ही जाता है. I could have gone a different route as well. That is like through outskirts of Guwahati. Then you can even enter Guwahati. So I don't know the route. Map चलाने का मन नहीं है because I need to reach before the sun sets. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. रास्ता छोटा है, so I cannot. It's kind of risky. People think that this is a cycle, so they don't care, and then आगे में आ जाता है. और you know cycle brake जितना भी tight हो, it will still skid out. अबे stupid. So we're gonna go straight from here. Took me about less than an hour of ride time, but I don't know what's 2:42 right now. Okay, रास्ता खाली है तो जा सकते हैं. मरेगा. Yeah, it's always risky and need to be careful with city traffic. कौन किधर से जगह दे देगा नहीं पता. Don't even know at what speed I'm riding. Rara, le, मोरी हो गए. My throat is dry. I'll just stop here. Shit. Fucking. Shit. Fuck. Okay, time to drink some water. Just drink some water. 21.6 kilometers so far at 23.5 average, 54.48 minutes, 2:47 हो गया. Probably one and a half more hours. Basically मेरे को 6 बजे से पहले पहुंचना है. I don't want to ride in the dark. This route can be done in what? About 45 minutes till I reach highway. Highway से सीधा घर, so probably around another 45 minutes. Yeah, 1.5 घंटे का काम है. बीच में I might have to pee, drink more water and stuff. एक बोतल खाली हो गया और दूसरा बोतल रिफिल करना है इस टाइम पे. बढ़िया. यहाँ पे भी कुछ बन रहा है. Oh yeah, I remember. There should have been a flyover here. Yeah, basically चांदमारी पॉइंट से यहाँ तक एक फ्लाईओवर होना है, which is going to be the longest flyover apparently in India or something like that. That's inside the city. But yeah, it's fucking funny. So the more east I'm going, this is the east side that I'm going. There's less population. Okay. बहुत पानी था. So time to take a turn, right turn from here. सीधा आया. The wall is of refinery. तो हम जाएंगे इस साइड से. Stupid people man, कहीं से भी निकल जाता है. I don't know if I showed you this. I think I did not show you this. But yeah, this whole area smells like burnt petrol and all that shit because of there's the refinery wall. So yeah, an interesting tip: if you want to lose weight, do long rides, make your body suffer, and don't eat anything. Even for like 4-5 hours after the ride. Okay, this is scary. So yeah. So basically the science behind it is that the more you make your body suffer after you do a ride, basically after you exhausted all your calories for the day, the remaining calories, the remaining energy in your body will try to fuel or compensate for the lost calories, in turn burn more fat, burn more sugar in the process, is what I think. So मेरा वैसे चल रहा है, and even though it's a long time, but I lost almost about 12 kgs since I started cycling, and I don't even do diet or shit. Like I eat everything. So yeah, if you don't want to cut down on your food or junk food or fast food or chicken, like chow mein, burger and shit, you can just do that. Don't fuel your body after you work out. Is the only funda that I have. Yeah, the only side effect is that you might have acidity, gas and stuff. So in order not to have that acidity and stuff, whatever your body needs, like let's say एक roti, like have one roti and one banana together. This should keep your stomach quiet for some time. Quiet इसलिए ठंडा रखेगा for some time, maybe like 2 hours, 1.5 hours, 2.5 hours. Focus on something else, work or take rest, and then eat after when you don't have hunger anymore, and do that for 1 week and then notice how your stomach gets toned down automatically. I used to have a bomb stomach. Okay, gotta focus on it. मैं तो खाना खा के नहीं आया अभी. सुबह को ब्रेकफास्ट किया and then I just got out. ब्रेकफास्ट में फ्राइड राइस खाया, which is like a good amount of carb. Last night I had some rice and 2 roti. So yeah, I usually don't even have rice. but nowadays I do, because I feel like, I mean, we are from the state of, we are from the state where we have like lots of rice, right? So he was fucking stupid. Dude, it's like I am of that age right now where I don't give a fuck about what people say or like trolls me or make a joke or tries to pull my leg and stuff. I don't give a shit. Possibly I could be like 5 years older than him. Like he's kind of fucking, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, छपरी lunatics try to mess with you on the middle of the road just because I'm wearing tights and shit. He probably thinks like I'm a younger guy. Okay, fine, I'm not that old, but still I'm getting old, age-wise. Physically, no. So this is almost the end of Guwahati. Like on the eastmost side. And if we keep going further on the east, that's where I was supposed to go for the 120-kilometer ride. There is a national park some 70 kilometers from here. Basically, total loop मेरे घर तक आने से it's about 120 kilometers. Oh. कहीं भी रुक के कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स या कुछ लेना पड़ेगा because it's getting hot. Oh yeah, also this part of Guwahati has all of the high-end bike shops. Like you get full suspension bikes and road bikes and stuff only on this route, like straight route that I'm gonna go. Like ये रास्ता सीधा सीधा एक flyover पे आके रुकता है. ये पूरा रास्ते पे पूरा भी there are 3 shops or 3 brands that sells those high-end bikes. Like by high-end bikes, I mean which is like above 90k and stuff. Goes up to 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs and shit. मारेगा थे. I have my normal glasses on my back, like in under the seat saddlebag. Kind of risky, but it got into it, so I put it in. तो अभी घर जाने के बाद या फिर लाइक जब रात होगा तब दिखाई देगा, देखना पड़ेगा if it survived or not. But yeah, it should have survived, I guess. I'll probably stop somewhere straight up. 30 kilometers हो जाएगा. I'll pee, drink some water, move ahead. Average तो ठीक है, 23.3 है in the city for about 27 kilometers. Good enough. But yeah, I can feel like my problem is coming. My ass is hurting. Again, basically terrible saddle sore. So I'm taking treatment using meds and shit. But let's see कितना time से ठीक होता है. I think this is a good spot to talk because there is no traffic. So basically, like there was one more ride that I did, which is of 105, 106 kilometers in 18th of January, I guess. So वो वाला record किया, but I did not speak anything. But I recorded a whole bunch, like basically almost 1 hour of footage I have. But since I did not talk anything, and now I don't know how to put the narration over it and all that shit. So that's what I'm having trouble with. So let's see if I put that or not. Like basically मैं इसके कारण like edit करने को मन नहीं कर रहा है. I just kept it open, proxy बना के रख दिया है, so that I'll edit anytime and then publish it out. But then क्या narration do, क्या नहीं do, because I recorded like parts of it, not entirely, but then it's still 1 hour of footage. Let's see. My ski spot is coming up there. थोड़ा आगे में है, where I usually ski. Yeah, I'm having muscle cramps because I'm riding non-stop. Plus the heat, so a little bit of shivers as well. Also, yeah, I don't recommend keeping the phone here in the summer because battery खराब हो जाता है. But then उपाय नहीं है. Usually try to keep it on your back. But nowadays बहुत सारा चोरी हो रहा है when you keep on the back. So yeah, be careful about it as well. तो ऐसे अंदर में रख सकता है. So that's good if you can keep it, and you cannot use it basically. You won't be able to use it. So yeah, I mean we don't really use it when we are riding anyways, except for navigation purposes if we need from time to time. Pretty fucking tired, bro. There is this mini uphill over here. It's kind of big. आराम से जाते हैं because my muscles are cramping on my right leg. So yeah. I don't know. I need to drink some sweet sugar shit. Now, about to be 30K. I don't know how long or short the video is going to be. Here on my left, the big shop. In the dusty. Oh yeah, I was supposed to pee somewhere. I don't know where I do that. I knew a spot. So let's see. I mean, of course, we all know a pee spot. Petrol pumps, bro. Petrol pumps are the best pee spots. बट किधर गया? There is the petrol pump. बैटरी कम है, बैटरी चेंज करता हूँ। और या 31.5 किलोमीटर डन है, 23.2 एवरेज, 1.5 घंटा हो गया। सो आई हैव अबाउट 30 more kilometers to go till I reach my home. But yeah, I'll probably have some cold drinks and a chocolate maybe, max to max, and then move out. Okay, time to have a Coke, some chocolates. Let's see. So today the plan is not to gain speed. The plan is to just do maximum distance. Speed होता है, but I'm not like pushing crazy. Like highway पे होगा speed, I know. जो highway पे पहुँच जाएगा. It might reach to 26 average, but that's about it. But इस साइड पे कोक का दुकान है नहीं, कोक हो थम्स अप हो जो भी हो। Okay, gotta keep for some time. This is getting hot. हाँ 20 करना है, अरे काम कर 30 कर ना तो खुश रहा से ना साउरो
आइस का बनी
एको मिक्स करवा नालगे अकल है निमको दिबा नालगे
पैसा दीजिए।
Good stuff. अभी घर जाके खाना खाएगा। That's about it. Probably in about 2 hours max to max. But yeah, so basically this way it's end of the city, that way mid part of the city. It's like a triangle corner, so I'm gonna hit that, and there is another flyover, I'm gonna hit that, और वहाँ से सीधा जाएगा तो शिलोंग मेघालय and like exiting the metro of course, and then I'm gonna go and take the highway which goes parallel to there, parallel नहीं कोना करके होता है, so yeah, you will get to see. That's about it. So I did the turn. This is the highway. We are going straight. About 27 kilometer, 30 kilometer. Yeah, LGP airport 30 kilometers. So yeah, मैं तो वहाँ तक जाएगा. And then I'm gonna do one more loop from there. So total probably 70 हो जाना चाहिए. But depending upon how I feel about my ass, let's see. So things are. ये यहाँ पे तो उड़ जाएगा. Like I can do about 32, 33 constant on this one. So average 27 तक चला जाता है. So yeah, pretty bright sun setting. I am at 23 average, 35.1 kilometers. So 66 तो हो जाएगा. Might take a different route, might not take a different route. So let's see. Darshan, more flyovers. Man, this is a city of flyovers. At 40 kilometer, 39.2 kilometer right now. 23.2 average, but I just had my water basically. नीचे वाला खाली है, अभी ये वाला आधे से ज़्यादा खाली है, so I'll have to refill it sometime. So yeah, let's see. Like I said, मेरे को अभी भी 30 kilometers or a little bit more than 30 kilometers बाकी है. So plus it's hot, terribly hot. So let's see, what do I do? Up on another flyover. Part of the highway, of course. There are, I guess, 2 more flyovers that are completed that we can get up on. Not really sure. But yeah, as I keep going, I'll keep showing. Sunday evening, time is time is about close to 4 o'clock. So I still don't know. I'm clueless. What should I do right now? I know I want to keep riding till almost about 5:36. Okay, let's see. पहले तो normal loop ले लेता है. उसके बाद probably I'll keep on making a loop around the airport area, which I usually do, which is my local area. Let's see. Because there is one more route that I want to take. Wait, did I publish? Yeah, I published the Dipperville one, right? So I can take the Dipperville route while going, and then I can get out around the Decathlon area. But the problem is that if it gets dark, plus it's an elephant corridor, so elephants come down to have water in the pond or the lake that you saw. So yeah, I don't know if that's a good idea. Don't want to take too much risk. I mean, it's not that of a risk. Oh my god, look at this. My front wheel is like slacking so much. And also because it's not because of the front wheel actually. My suspension is terribly wonky. I have to change the entire suspension. So uska bhi kharcha baki hai. But then like maybe in some time I'm planning to get a road bike before doing anything modification on this one. Other than which is needed, like changing the sprocket and changing the chain, which is a regular thing to do after every 3 to 5,000 kilometer के बीच में हो जाता है. So yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, so let's see. I'll keep on showing. I'm still confused what to do. Finally, I haven't come this way in a long time, but looks like this overbridge also has started functioning, which is fucking great because this is one of the major point to enter the city. पहले नीचे से था, अभी तो फ्लाईओवर हो गया है. But yeah, जाते हैं ऊपर से ना, because this is one of the major one. Even though it's almost the same distance and same construction in size and all that shit, but still this is one of the major one to eradicate the traffic from the highway. So thankfully it has started functioning. So yeah, this is me first time getting up on this flyover, going up the flyover. As you can see, constructions are still going on. The risky part of this kind of bridge or under construction bridges are like nails, keel, and then barbed wires and all that shit stays on the floor because they don't clean it up. So yeah, काम तो चल ही रहा है baby. देख बीच में गाड़ी भी है. So yeah, downhill from here. Going to keep another flyover up ahead. 45.4 kilometer done. 23.6, 23.5 average. Still very hot. I'm thinking to drink something more. I need to save my water that I have. Yeah, that's the update for now. पीछे से गाड़ी आ सकता है, आगे से भी गाड़ी आ सकता है. But yeah, I'm gonna climb this now. I think I have crossed this before. At least यहाँ से निकला तो ज़रूर है एक बार या दो बार, बट उठा शायद चढ़ा नहीं है, बिकॉज यहाँ के नीचे से जाता है वो डिपर बिल वाला एरिया. Check episode 16 or something. So yeah, since I'm not going that way right now, even though I can, I'm just gonna stick to this normal highway because average बढ़ सकता है. It's 23.5 right now, so yeah. वहाँ से जाने में it's a good distance, almost same distance, but average नहीं बढ़ेगा, उल्टा कम हो जाता है. So yeah, आज रात को सोने में मज़ा आ जाएगा because after a long time I am doing this kind of hard workout kind of shit. Even though I have been dieting in the sense like cutting down on my portions of food. But yeah, you know, घर पे जब रहता है तो माँ खाने के लिए देती रहती है, and then of course it's like खाना सामने के पड़ने के बाद कौन मना कर सकता है. So that is that. So ऐसे तो नहीं होगा. So I have to start working out and then going on rides and shit. So that's why I'm out. Yesterday's ride was good, but I don't know. Mentally I'm not okay due to various reasons, of course. But then I mean, like, it's okay. It's kind of easy to talk about shit that you're dealing with some strangers, but not with the people that you know. That's where the yeah, that's the shit of life. I mean, we all go through some shit, right? But yeah, that's what it is. Like, जाने पहचाने लोगों से बात करना मुश्किल हो जाता है, but then it's kind of easier to talk with people that you don't know because I don't know, you feel like it's safer to talk to them than to. यहाँ पे रहता है हाँ इन्हें घूरी है सो सेम ड्रेस होता है गुवाहाटी घूरी है इलो अलग वीडियो चलिए सर होटल हाँ ठीक है people wait and talk to you. Like, क्या ही बात कर रहा है मेरे से. But yeah, he thought I came from somewhere far. But yeah, got to ride faster. I mean, yeah, don't take it seriously. Like, I'm all okay and all that shit, but it just takes some time to process and like deal with it by yourself. And of course, like, even if you share shit with someone else, like, their motivation or their support mean nothing if you don't work on yourself. So yeah, that is that. Of course, you know, I'm almost out of water. Haven't drank anything. This is another flyover. So नीचे से आने के लिए try किया. So आने के try किया as in like I tried to stand up and ride to get some speed and momentum to climb up. Man, I have been riding continuously from like 2 hours, right? Just stopped to pee once and एक बार वो sugarcane juice पीने के लिए रुका था. God damn, 50 किलोमीटर होने वाला है and then my legs started having spasm in the sense like my leg muscles got locked out, जिसको cramp बोलते हैं लोग and all. So I could not pump power through my legs, basically energy getting low. maybe I need to stop somewhere or something, give some rest to my legs for some time. But 50 किलोमीटर तो होने वाला है. Basically I'm just waiting. maybe यहाँ के बाद जाके नीचे में कहीं पे कुछ पी लेगा अगर कुछ मिलता है तो. I don't know, for some reason I'm having headache as well. Maybe because it was dusty, I guess. Yeah, let's see. Going to take it slow from here on. Not going to rush because 50 किलोमीटर तो super fast चला ही लिया. Yeah. So sunlight is going low. 1 किलोमीटर आगे है रेडिसन ब्लू. या roughly 1 किलोमीटर आगे होगा. So that is that. I guess I'll end the video over here, but I'll probably show you how much I rode. अभी तो 50 किलोमीटर हो गया है, like 50.3 किलोमीटर, 22.9 average. Yeah, that's about it. Kinda getting tired because I rode after a really long time, like almost 20 days, I guess. Like 50 किलोमीटर 20 दिन के बाद चलाया. Like yesterday I rode 28 kilometer in 1 hour and 7 minutes. But I still don't know if my body supports riding for 50 kilometer or more non-stop. Like I can, mentally I can, like on the road physically I can, but post recovery or recovery कैसा होगा मेरे को नहीं पता. So basically I'm planning to not ride for 2 more days. Today is Sunday, so Monday, Tuesday को ride नहीं करेगा. And then I want to see how my body reacts within those 2 days. So that is that. So yeah, thank you for watching, whoever is watching till here. Keep supporting. Even if I don't upload on YouTube, of course I don't record every of the rides. You can follow me on Strava to track me because that's where everything gets uploaded. But yeah, going forward, basically exiting city, on my left there should be Radisson Blu somewhere. I mean there is, but yeah, जाते जाते पहुंच जाएगा Radisson Blu. I have a couple of spots that I can drink water from or Coke or whatever juice I want to have. कुछ तो खाया नहीं अभी तक, भूख भी नहीं लगा है kind of. So yeah, that is Radisson Blu. Oh, लाल building and glass building behind that tower. But yeah, that's about it. But I'm gonna show you at the end कि कितना किया है. But like since the sunlight is going down, let's see what's the time. 4:21 right now. और 1 घंटा ride करेगा and then I'll be done after that. So yeah, that is about it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next. Very last leg of the route. It's 67.6 kilometer. I don't know what they do. इन लोग को क्या हो गया पीछे? They literally are slowing in the middle of the road. The red I-20. Anyhow, the light must not be good. Yeah. As you can see, it did 67.8 kilometers so far. घर पहुँचते around 72-ish. I'm expecting not too much distance. What was I about to say? Yeah, as you can see, this is going to be the new airport terminal. Airport route से आ गया है, बहुत पहले भी आया था. But yeah, currently they are expanding the road for faster connectivity. But yeah, let's see कितना होता है घर पहुँचते and that's about it. See you on the next video. मैं बार-बार बोल रहा है, but फिर भी because I'm kind of picking up the camera after a long time. So yeah. Also changed my glasses and all. Sat at Decathlon for some time. Peed, drank water, थोड़ा रिफिल कर लिया इवन दो हाउस इज जस्ट 10 kilometers away एंड ऑल. घर जाके खा लाइक लंच करेगा घर जाके. इट्स आई गेस अबाउट टू बी 6 o'clock right now. So yeah, been riding continuously from 3 hours. 23.2 average. Okay, gotta go ride faster.